YouTube, me and Luther out here. Got this thing back from the dealership again, so we'll see if it actually can run worth a damn. We got a little bit of snow here too, which is cool. We needed that. We don't have a whole lot, but there's a little. It's hard to see all this fresh snow. It's not too sunny out either, which kind of makes it even harder. I haven't yet to fix my tunnel, so I'm going to be easy on the wheelies today. If you haven't watched my last video, or no, I might have another one in between this, but my last riding video, if you haven't watched it, check it out. It's a really hard back. Snow's not terrible out here. It's rideable. Does it? You think you'll get out of here with a little ski pole?
Maybe.
Oh yeah. That's bad, holy crap. I didn't realize how bad that was. I didn't think I was getting out of there.
I heard it. It sounded really bad from back here. It's just,
yeah. Three, two, one, go! I got scared of him. Ah!